Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to solve the problem of water getting into your footwell. This happens to be on the passenger side of a BMW E65. Right, this particular problem has the water coming in here, and what happens is the water all collects over here and it drips down in this chamber over here and it goes down under the air filters. Now, if you have a sunroof, you just want to make sure that this is clear of any debris and sediment. There is a little hole here which acts as a drain for water that collects here. That water drains down here, and there's a water vent behind the tire here which often gets blocked and you need to clean it. Now, the cause of the water in the footwell is not caused from the sunroof. In this case, the sunroof port has been cleaned, and if you're not sure how to do that, please check out my video on how to deal with that problem. Now, in this repair, there's a vent that's under this cabin filter, and I'll just show you how to get to that vent and just clean it out. So the first thing you want to do is just take a blower and remove any excess sediment. Right, so just remove any leaves and debris that is built up there, and then I just want to remove this by doing that. Now I need to remove this, so I'm first going to just release this cable here. So I've just taken that off. Over there, this is a T20. Right, then you can open this and then just remove it like so. You can see that opens. Then what you want to do is you want to put your screwdriver here and just release that so you can pull out this plastic housing. Right, now underneath there you can see there's a weep hole there, but what actually is supposed to happen is there's another one sitting, as you can see, there is where the water is supposed to drain. So you can see what happened with mine, it's completely full with sediment. So first thing I need to do is remove this sediment. Now be careful of just blowing this out with a blower, because that goes into your cabin. You can see that I blocked this air vent with a shirt, and I've actually blown this out with a blower already. So there, right at the bottom, you can see the drain hole. Now it is open. I'm just going to test it by putting a little bit of water there and making sure that that water comes out from underneath the car. And there you can see the water is draining properly now. Right, to reassemble, you just want to reseat this guy over here. And when you do reseat this, you might have to just lift this clip up a bit. Some cases you can just push it in and it reclips. Other times the clip comes off completely. So in this case, I'm just going to assist it a little bit so that that clip doesn't fall inside. You see there, it's already happened. That's what happens on some cars. The clip actually falls down like that. So there you can see the clip here has actually come off. This is quite a common problem. My advice is to reseat this clip. You'll see there are some raised teeth here which wedge into the back here. Right, so I've reseated the clip, and all I'm going to do is assist the clip when I put this plastic piece in. I'm going to support the clip. Right, so if your clip was loose, then once you've seated this, just take a flat screwdriver and push it at the back just to make sure it is seated at the back. Right, now it is tight. Right, so you just need to open the scissor mouth. It's going to grab on the frame over here, and this post here is what this will rest on. Right, you screw in that torque screw which actually fastens onto this plastic housing, and then you can plug in your terminal. Make sure that this post is providing support for this plastic piece, and then you just seat that like so. Make sure it's inside there and this plastic clamp is tight, and you just depress it. It's already depressed. Right, thanks for watching and cheers.